Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start with a full power down because the drive behaves predictably then. It prevents read errors. Once the Xbox is off, place it on a stable surface and find the front disk slot, the thin opening on the right side when vertical. Make sure the disk is clean by wiping the outer edge and label with a microfiber cloth. This reduces read failures. Now pick the disk by its edges only to avoid fingerprints and align the label facing outward and up before insertion. You insert the disk with a gentle, steady motion so the drive's rollers can grab it. Forcing causes jams. Once the edge contacts the slot, keep the disk flat and centered. A tilt makes the drive misalign the hub. If you feel a slight suction or hear the motor, stop applying pressure and let the mechanism pull the disk in. Then check the console's status ring or front LED to confirm the drive is spinning, and the Xbox recognizes media before navigating to the game library. You finish by verifying the disk loads in the game library or media player. This confirms a successful read. If the console shows an error or won't read, eject the disk, inspect both sides for scratches or smudges, and retry after wiping and rebooting the Xbox. Make sure to power cycle the console before a second attempt because cached drive states can block reads. If problems persist, try another disk to isolate drive failure versus disk damage, and consider contact.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.